Hello dear students, hope all of you are doing well. So now let's start today's revision regarding criteria for new system of classification. Body organization of unicellular animals is referred as protoplasmic grade organization. But in case of multicellular animals, body organization is called cellular grade, for example porifera. But in some animals like Cnidaria, they show cell tissue grade organization. Animals like flatworm show presence of organs and hence show tissue organ grade organization. Remember, there is no complete organ formation. Rest all animals show organ system grade organization in which different organs are joined together to form one organ system that performs specific functions. Let's now revise about body symmetry just like we revised grades of organization. See students, if we dissect any animal on an imaginary axis, the animal may or may not produce into equal halves. Depending upon this, there are three different types of animal bodies that are asymmetrical, radial symmetrical and bilateral symmetrical. When imaginary axis cannot divide the body into two equal halves, it is known as asymmetrical. For example, the body of amoeba and paramecium. If an imaginary axis produces two equal halves, it is known as bilateral symmetry. For example, frog, birds, humans. But if five different planes pass through central axis of body and if the body gets divided into two equal halves, then this is known as radial symmetry. For example, starfish and other echinodermata. Students, let's now revise about germinal layers. These are formed during initial period of their embryonic development. From these germ layers only, different tissues are formed in body. Animals like cnidarians have only two germ layers, that is endoderm and ectoderm. But in rest all animals, three germ layers are formed, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. As you all know, body cavity is also known as column. Cavity between body and internal organs is called as body cavity or column. But in case of multicellular animals, during initial period of their embryonic development, body cavity is formed from either mesoderm or gut. Such type of body cavity is present in animals of phylum Annelida. Such animals are called as eucoelomate. Body cavity is absent in case of animals from phyla Porifera, Cnidaria and Platyhelminthes. Such animals are called as ecoelomate. Some animals are known as pseudocoelomates. Let's revise about body segmentation. If body of animals is divided into small similar units, then such body is called as segmented body. Each small unit is called as segment. For example, earthworm. So dear students, now we have revised about criteria for new system of classification, that is grades of organization, body symmetry, germ layers, body cavity and segmentation.